In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file state taxes with TurboTax. Filing your state taxes can be daunting, but with TurboTax, you can simplify the process and potentially save a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make sure you're as prepared as possible. First, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the tax year you're working on. In this case, you'll be using the 2025 version. This is your starting point where all your tax information will be compiled and processed. Once you've reached the TurboTax Online site, it's time to get started. Now, on the TurboTax dashboard, you'll see several options. The first thing you need to do is click on the Federal tab. This is where you'll enter your federal tax information, which is necessary before you can tackle your state taxes. Make sure all your federal information is accurate and up to date, as this will flow into your state tax forms. After you've entered your federal information, the next step is to click on the Income section. Here, you'll input all the income details required for your federal and state taxes. This includes wages, salaries, and any other income sources you might have. It's crucial to be thorough here, as any discrepancies can cause issues later on. Once you've entered all your income information, navigate to the Wages and Income Summary section. This tab will provide an overview of all the income you've reported. It's a good idea to review this summary to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do so by selecting the appropriate options within this tab. As you navigate through these sections, TurboTax will guide you with prompts and additional information to make the process as smooth as possible. This is one of the benefits of using TurboTax, as it simplifies complex tax rules and requirements into manageable steps. Remember, while TurboTax provides a lot of guidance, it's important to have all your necessary documents handy, such as W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant financial information. This preparation will help you complete your taxes more efficiently. Filing state taxes might seem overwhelming, but by following these steps and using TurboTax's intuitive platform, you can confidently file your state taxes. Make sure you review everything carefully before submitting to avoid any errors. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to completing your state taxes without hassle. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to filing your state taxes using TurboTax. I hope this video has been helpful and makes your tax filing experience a little less stressful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.